Okay, we're in Delray Beach. We're at our cousin's house, and she's asked me to fix the fan because the chain pulled out and just it's not there anymore. So we're going to take a look and see if we can fix it. So this is what we got. We pulled that out with the 4 screws. A lot of times they have 3, but this one has 4, which is good. This helps you pick the speeds, by the way. And this is the direction switch. Summertime, winter. Good stuff. Okay. And I like this one a lot because it's a quick disconnect. So I was able to pull it off the fan, and now we can work on it. So this is the big question. This is the switch for the fan speeds. And we got a situation with that. Also, this is what she gave me. And that. Well, this is what I feared would happen. We got this separated. The 2 pieces separated. Now, we got to go to the store and get another one. There's just no way. The internals in here are broken. So, hardware store time.